9 Ways to Master Emotions at Work. Ask anyone and they're likely to agree. The one place you should keep your emotions to yourself is at work. Most workplaces don't want to see you in your messy, unrestrained drama. But this can be especially hard when you're having a bad day. So how do you master your emotions at work? What's going right? Instead of getting caught up in what's going wrong and letting those kinds of negative emotions swamp you, look for the things in your day which are going well. Distraction is a great technique for managing stressful situations. Remember the past. If you're plagued by anxiety or worry, think about a time when you felt like this and everything worked out. Remind yourself things are likely to work out again. Avoid the worryworts. There's always some at work who are happy to bring you down. They delight in gossip, negative talk, and creating drama. You don't need those kinds of people in your life. Do your best to separate yourself from those kinds of influences. Learn how to breathe. Knowing how to calm yourself through using deep breathing or box breathing will go a long way towards subduing panic and even shifting your focus away from other kinds of negative emotions when you need it. Know the danger signs. You can probably tell by now when you're starting down an overly emotional path. Memorize these danger signs so you can mitigate the situation quickly. If you feel like crying, escape to the bathroom now. If you're getting angry, it might be time to step away from the situation. Stop. Sometimes you just need to stop. High emotion usually comes out of activity. It might seem drastic to step back and go somewhere you can gather your thoughts and get yourself under control, but it's better than losing your temper in front of your boss. Respect. Dealing with people who raise a lot of negative emotions can be draining and set you on edge. But if you make a conscious effort to respect these people, it might trigger a respectfulness from them in return. Even if it doesn't, your colleagues will see you're the one who's trying to keep things smooth. Adjust your goal. Feeling depressed about not making goals? Why not adjust your milestones so you can be sure to accomplish something each day for a quick mood boost? Smile. When all else fails, smile. Smiles have a way of adjusting your mood. It also shows your coworkers that no matter what, you're trying to keep positive.